This video is a live mock grade 5 exam given to Angel, one of my Skype students, with no editing out mistakes or retakes in order to mirror as closely as possible the experience of a real exam.
Music Online UK.
Scales. So first of all, can we start off with a B major scale? Thank you. And a B flat minor scale. An F major contrary motion. And a C sharp minor contrary motion. A chromatic scale starting on D. And a contrary motion chromatic starting on A flat. A G major arpeggio. And a C sharp minor arpeggio. Thank you. These were well known with highly accurate notes and prompt responses. There were just a couple of occasions where the tone did not project. Expected mark 20 out of 21. Minuetto by J.B. Loeillet. Thank you. A suitably chosen tempo conveyed the dance-like character of this minuetto. Notes were all very accurate and some tasteful dynamics added to the performance. There were just a couple of moments where the tone didn't project and occasionally the tempo fluctuated. Expected mark 28 out of 30. Etude in A minor by Louise Farrenc. Thank you. A lovely lilting quality was achieved by a well-chosen tempo. Dynamic shaping was effective and pitch was all accurate. The only improvement could be in a more graduated execution of the poco-rete, both in the middle of the piece and at the end. Expected mark 29 out of 30. Lentamente by Sergey Prokofiev. The tempo was generally suitable for the ethereal character of this piece, although there were some fluctuations in speed. A little more voicing of the tune over the lower PPP parts was required on the second page to really carry off the style that the composer intended, but this was a highly accurate and confident performance. Expected mark 27 out of 30. Aural. First of all, here is a melody for you to repeat, okay? Now, in the exam, they're going to ask you, would you prefer to sing it or play it?
Sing it.
Right, okay, so here's a melody for you to repeat, okay? I'll play it twice. Here is your key chord and your starting note. And there are 3 beats in a bar. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Here it is again. Thank you. Please sing the notes on number 5 on this page and sing them slowly. But here is a key chord, B flat major. And here is your starting note, B flat. Now, I'm going to play you a short extract and I'm going to ask you about tonality and the style and period. Okay? So would you say that music was in a major key or a minor key?
Major key.
And is it a classical, romantic or 20th century piece?
20th century because of the jazzy sounding tunes and also the jaunty sounding tunes.
Okay, thank you very much. Now, I'm going to play you a short phrase. I'd like you to clap the rhythm of the notes in that phrase after I've played it twice more, okay? And here it is again. And is that in 2 time, 3 time or 4 time?
4 time.
Thank you. Test A was rather approximate and there was a small error in Test B. Part C was well answered and in general responses were confident and showed musical awareness, so that strengths outweighed weaknesses. Expected mark 15 out of 18. Sight reading. Continuity was generally maintained, apart from one bar that was repeated, with pitch outlines in place despite quite a few note errors. Also, the rhythm was mostly correct, with a few variations on the dotted rhythms. Unfortunately, there was no attempt at the musical details such as dynamics. Expected mark 16 out of 21. Total for the whole exam would be a distinction with 135 out of 150 marks.